And we're headed to go set up the blind at a spot that I think. So we can hike in there, set it up, and hopefully shoot something out of it. Hopefully a big buck. So stay tuned. We'll get back with you guys when we're out getting ready to set up the blind. All right, we're about a little bit over half a mile in. As you can see, it is super thick. But we got about 240 more yards to go to the spot that I had marked on Onyx, where it looks like it kind of opens up a little bit more. So I'm hoping that that can be a perfect spot to set up the blind and get it ready for the next 10 days of hunting. Stay tuned.
So Sweet thinks he might have found a spot. We've probably hiked in maybe like 1,000 yards or so. It's just very thick in here, so we're trying to find a spot that maybe that we could set up this blind in. If not, then we might just head back. But I hope we found one. Stay tuned.
All right, it's the end of day number 1. I spotted about 10 bucks, and the rest of the guys spotted all the does. Tomorrow's supposed to be even better, so we're probably gonna look at like 20, 25 bucks tomorrow. Stay tuned.
You want to tell them what your nickname is?
Who we sent this to?
The people. It's the people. It's not sent. It's just it's the people.
To who?
The people.
Who's the people?
The fan base. Just what's your nickname?
The Pedro Grande, he wants to just rest, okay? Yeah, you guys talked me out of it. Come on! I'm gonna go sidewall your tires. Oh my goodness. How was it, Red? What did you say?
I'm gonna be in the blind by close 30. Oh my God.
We're actually barely supposed to get here today.
Yeah, this is premature.
Yeah. I killed my buck on the 13th last year. He shot. Wait, and you shot? Yeah, he did. All I know that this morning it was out of tension. It was. That's because Kawa got into trouble. It fell apart.
What did it turn into, Grandpa?
Kawa went to Kaka quick. What's up, guys? It is day number 2 here in the Chiricahuas, and we're gonna go and check another blind I have set up in a pretty good spot. Just kind of prepping everything for the week. The blinds have been out for a little bit, so I just want to go and make sure that they're ready to set in, so I don't have to be worrying about that in the morning. And this spot, I think I'm gonna sit it in the morning until about noon. But it's a really nice ridge. I've seen some really good bucks on there. Glassing from a mountain range that I glassed from into that area, so that's kind of what made me decide to put one in there. So we're gonna go and make sure it's all good and tidy and hopefully hunt it tomorrow. So stay tuned.
So we just showed up to the blind. It was fully collapsed. So we're gonna put it up, repair it, and see how it goes. Stay tuned. So we've decided to start moving it. It's fully broken down. Day number 2 at the cabin. My favorite team just lost. It hurts. Yeah. It hurts really bad. Questioning about going hunting tomorrow. I might just, yeah. Stay tuned. I want to hear from you. Alright, so we're back at the house. We just went out this morning. They convinced me to come out after the game yesterday, but went out this morning. We didn't see nothing. Saw a buck on the way out, but it was a little spike at guard, so we're gonna go back out and see what happens. We gotta fill up first. So.
No, tell him what you told me. Hey, why do we have these? What? No, seriously, why? Okay. Somebody left their bow at the house. Why didn't you bring it? He can't hit the side of a barn anyways.
You get a burrito?
Does that guy have his shirt off? Oh. He got all excited.
You didn't bring no extra burritos?
Yeah, no, I ate it. They were good, man.
Yeah?
Here, I have that. You want that? And he ate all of his too. Yeah, thank you, Elizabeth. They're good. Hey, this guy over here. What's this? Tell her.
The radio.
No,
you
but the
have it on now?
burrito. Open your mouth. The burrito.
So you didn't make it to.
No, we took one.
He's gone already then.
I was just testing the out. Did you see the dough coming in right there?
All he's talking about is guys, and now you're paying attention, so we probably didn't see anything.
Oh, I told JD they got the half man. They're gonna see that dough.
I was telling your
So this guy shot a squirrel and is still alive in the back, and we have to try to kill it.
Oh, forget it. No.
Just once, just cock it once so you don't break anything. Oh look, look.
Everybody cover your eyes.
Well, I thought he was dead, or you just knocked him out.
Ay, ay.
Put him on the ground. Put it on his head.
It's still alive. Oh no, it's twitching. What happened?
So I shot him, and I picked him up, and we put him in the back of the truck. We thought he was dead, he wasn't moving. And we were driving, and we looked in the back, and he was trying to climb out. And he was still alive.
Wow, not anymore. Throw it, I dare you. Wait.
This area is where we're noticing that there's a lot of roads.
What's up? I'm back home. Yeah. I had to come home early. They're still out there hunting. So this is the end to the video. It's me in my chair in my house, rocking the shower. So, I want to say, hope you enjoyed the video. I will post something, if anything, if they kill something, I'll let everybody know. But this video should be released before they kill something, so yeah. No, I just had a great time and had some funny moments. So, but hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.